The career advice and coaching. In today's rapidly changing world, building a successful career is not just about hard work or luck, it's about making informed choices, developing the right skills, and staying adaptable. This is where career advice and coaching play a vital role. They provide individuals with the guidance, clarity, and motivation needed to achieve their professional goals. Career advice refers to the guidance offered by experienced professionals or mentors to help individuals choose suitable career paths based on their interests, skills, and market opportunities. On the other hand, career coaching goes a step further. It is a structured and personalized process that focuses on setting career goals, developing strategies, and building confidence to overcome challenges in the workplace. A career coach helps clients identify their strengths and weaknesses, align their values with their professional aspirations, and create actionable plans. Through discussions, assessments, and constructive feedback, they guide individuals to make better decisions, whether it's choosing a first job, changing careers, or advancing in their current roles. Coaching also helps professionals improve their soft skills such as communication, leadership, and time management, which are essential for career growth. The benefits of career advice and coaching are numerous. For students, it provides clarity about future opportunities and academic choices. For working professionals, it helps in achieving balance, navigating workplace challenges, and unlocking new opportunities. In an era where technology and industries evolve quickly, having a career coach can make a significant difference in staying relevant and competitive. Ultimately, career advice and coaching empower individuals to take control of their professional lives. Instead of drifting from one job to another, they can build meaningful and sustainable careers. Whether you're just starting out or looking to reinvent yourself professionally, seeking guidance from a career advisor or coach can be one of the most valuable investments in your future.